Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to do a menu for all the fathers. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Yes, happy Father's Day, Dad. Cheers. I'll take one of that. Cheers. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
So now this is for you. Cheers. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. It's cutters for all who want to make this for their father. It's I have some chicken liver here. I have some pork cut into pieces. And some chicken cut into pieces as well. With sweet pepper. I have some soy sauce. Salt. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Paprika. Green seasoning, and the name of this is Shish Kebab. So it's going to be liver shish kebab, pork shish kebab, chicken shish kebab. I also have half a chicken breast here that I'm going to grill in the barbecue grill. And this is the skewers I use as well. So what again I'm going to do now is I'm going to season these separately, because some people don't eat pork, some don't eat chicken, some don't eat liver. So this is what I do now. I'm gonna put some salt in. And you can put salt to taste, not a measure, you know. Some black pepper. Some garlic powder. Paprika, if I can open. Some soy sauce. And of course some seasoning. Green seasoning has bandania, garlic, onions, celery. Okay, that's the wrong one here. And I'm going to mix it now. This is going to marinate for at least a couple hours. Right, so wash the spoon and the chicken now. Oh, the pork, sorry. This is the pork one. I'm losing control here with that one style. Right, the name of it is Shish Kebab. And this is the liver, chicken liver, my favorite. Right, I also make some barbecue sauce here, and I have the two peppers I can cut up and put into the skewers together with the meat. And normally if you have pineapple, or you want to put onions, or you want to put mushrooms, you could also put it in there together with the meat. And let this marinate for a couple hours, and I'll come back and do the rest. But I'm going to show you how to do the peppers and squeeze the orange in it. But while I'll squeeze the orange in it right now to get your orange flavor. A little bit of orange juice in it gives it a nice flavor. And this is seedless orange. First of all, I'm trying to figure out where to get the seed to plant the seedless orange and the watermelon and the grapes. You can still figure that out. You have to have a seed, right? Okay. So somebody write me and tell me if you're good at that. Scientists. put that piece up. So cut the peppers into pieces. Put it in there. Chris wants onion in his own. He loves onions, so I put onions in it. I told you, you can use anything. You can use the pineapple, mushrooms, the onions. Anything can go with it. So just one for him alone with onions. Okay, so I'll do that one with onions. So I'll come back in about an hour's time and start to fix the shish kebab and the skewers. Alright, meanwhile I forgot the breast here, chicken breast. So let's get rid of this. This is already washed. What I'm going to do is hammer it, tenderize it. Tenderizer. Still can't figure out why they call this a meat tenderizer and you're beating it. Okay, that's good enough. I'll season that after. So cheers again to all the dads out there. And I'd like to big up Anne-Marie from Marabella, Deborah Mohammed, and Ken and Anna. Big up to you guys and to all my subscribers and viewers. Cheers. So I'm going to do the pork one first. I will start with a piece of red pepper. Goes in first. Piece of pork. Piece of yellow pepper. Another piece of pork. Pepper again. And so we go along. Pretty beauty of that. Okay. So I'm gonna put this as a one for Chris. So he's gonna get the onion and pork, a piece of pepper. Onions again. That's great for like cutters, so you can make it anytime. The most important thing is you marinated it. Look at that again. Oh, Chris get 2 pieces of onion, so that's good. Alright, so we'll do 2 with the pork, and then I'm going to do chicken as well. This is the same procedure for the chicken. Okay, so we got it down. It's going to go on the grill. And for all who wondering, I'm trying to grow a goatee. So, I don't know, I hope it come on good. And hear my song playing. So lovely this looking. Okay. Cheers. Happy Father's Day again. When they go out to a bushman, check this out. You have to do this on the coals. When they go to a line with the boys and catching fish. Out and about with trouble. But you use real trouble, you know. All our food they cooking there. Every time I watch our food, I get hungry. Because it's something different you can all the time. Big up to you, man. Good. Do some more.
Chris.
And big up to my brother, Deepak Prasad. Happy Father's Day. And wish you all the best. And I hope you have many, many more to come. And we have to meet again. We was a river crew. Me, you, Jai Shima. Happy Father's Day to my cousin Jai Shima. And Blunt, happy Father's Day. I don't know, that name stick on him. And to my cousin, one of my favorite cousins, who is no longer with us, Kewal. We were all the river crew. We went to every river in Trinidad when we used to live there. So again, to the guys, cheers. And Kewal, wherever you are, you know, I hope you're in a good place in heaven. Okay, so it's cooking. Now this is the liver. And this is pork, this is chicken, pork, and pork. So it's cooking nicely. It's gotta cook slowly and nicely. So when it cooks slowly, it cooks good, you know. And I'd like to say Happy Father's Day as well to my three brother-in-law. Krishna, Happy Father's Day. Stephen, Happy Father's Day. And the other one is Kali Sicharan, Happy Father's Day. Three of you guys. Cheers. Take one for me. Oh, it's coming nicely then. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paste it with the barbecue sauce. These three here, you can take the sauce, the liver as well. This is my secret sauce that I'll show you guys one day.
So it wouldn't be a secret again?
Yeah. Now everybody here does eat pork and chicken and liver. So I'm just showing you how I made it different in case who doesn't eat that. Right, but I'm using a brush for the same. And we have no guests today. Still a little bit of lockdown. Okay. I want you guys to try this and tell me how it tastes. Okay. Also, I'd like to say Happy Father's Day again to a very good friend of mine, Mr. Darren Guru. Happy Father's Day, and take one for me. Harry, Happy Father's Day, and Jamil, Happy Father's Day. Cheers, guys. So you throw some for the zombie? Like for the whole cemetery? Yeah. Cheers. Alright, so cheers, guys. Happy Father's Day again.
Happy Father's Day.
So the chicken liver is finished. And take a taste. Wow. Onions. And the peppers. Wonderful. Chicken has to cook properly. So them like it a little burn. So I guess this is almost done. And the liver, you just eat it out. So I'm sure the liver right now. Everybody likes the liver. That piece is a little big, so you gotta cook a little more. And put the new pieces here. Okay. Sit there. Don't worry about this one, eh? We couldn't resist and we don't have. All this with pepper on it.
Yeah, I'm probably hungry here right now.
Right? Look how beautiful this thing looks. Look at this. First piece of liver here. Right, man. Look at that, Bushman. Bushman, look at that. You know, I'll try a hybrid dal, eh? That will make the everything look good, boy. That dumpling and thing. Wow, that's a classic. I'll try that, eh? So this is half of it finished. Beautiful. I tasted it already and it is delicious. Even with the onion, it tastes very, very good. And again, I tell you before, you can put pineapple in between, it tastes better. With the pineapple, with the mushrooms, anything you can put there. And shrimps, anything. Okay? So we're gonna do the rest and then come back and have dinner. Again, Happy Father's Day again. I'm picking up all the fathers again today. Sam, Mr. Sam Lal, Happy Father's Day. And to my special and loving uncle, Bharat, Hey, happy Father's Day, Uncle. You're the best. And to my good friend in Freeport, Mr. Wazid Bash, better known as Palu, happy Father's Day too. Now we're gonna put the other set here. Go along. It's coming along nicely here. Happy Father's Day again to my last uncle on my father's side alive, Mr. Lakraj Kanhai, better known as Dada. Happy Father's Day, sir. So this is your chicken breast, marinated. Okay. This has been marinated for 3 hours. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna put that on low heat. So let it cook. Still have the last of the shish kebab here. And let it cook on low heat. Happy Father's Day to my friends, Trinidad. Videsh, happy Father's Day to you. Dennis, happy Father's Day. Trini, out and about, travel. Happy Father's Day. And Trinbigo, the Bushman, happy Father's Day. As well as Sunil from New York, happy Father's Day to you. Okay, so I put the chicken breast in to cook, and now I'm going to put the cheese inside. This is my special Father's Day snack. Get the cheese, some grated cheese inside. I split it in half. And what I'm going to do now is flip it back over. It's already cooked. I'm just waiting for the cheese to melt. You can also put some bandania inside here. Bandania, that's my signature. Bandania. Okay, so let's flip them. This gonna just remain there for like a couple minutes. Oh, look at that, guys. The cheese is melting nice. Wow. You know. No, normally when I do one, I put onions, garlic, pepper, and seasoning like bandania and green onions and the whole works inside here. But most of them here don't like it like that. But this is for me because it's Father's Day. Alright, so this is it's done here now. Once the cheese is melted, it's done. So, okay, so this is the chicken breast I did with the cheese inside. Nice and tender, look at that. You know what I mean? This is gonna go with my dinner here. And of course I'm gonna put some ketchup. Pepper sauce. Good use pepper sauce. It's hot. And I gotta put some of my good friend, Mr. Malan Singh. He gave me a butter pepper sauce. And also, happy Father's Day to my good friend, Malan Singh. Thanks for the pepper sauce. Specially made for me. As a man from Kalalu. If you watch a couple of my videos, you will see him there. So, let's do the honor now and have a taste of everything. This is the one with the chicken. Okay. Oh, we made potato salad to eat with it. So we'll try a piece with the chicken. Try the chicken first. It's very good. Wow. Make this for your dad. It's really, really good. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And see you in the next video.